Okay, YouTube, I am out at my storage shed. I'm actually making this right after the video of the 2 cash registers in my garage. Oh, there's Sammy Cat sleeping on my golf cart. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Anyway, this is my storage shed. I've decided to show you a video of the NCR cash register. Poor quality view because I've got shit stuffed up in here. But this is the withered cash register that I was talking about in the previous video. I'm actually gonna give you a full view of this cash register soon. Sorry about the smoke, that's my cigarette. So yeah, that's the NCR cash register that I mentioned. As you can see, there's rust on it and a little bit of mold or fungus growing on it. So someday I'm going to bring this up to the garage and show it to you. A lot of my vacuums in here because I've been running out of space in my garage. So I kind of stuffed them down here. But anyway, that's the cash register. Hope you enjoyed it.